Hey guys, so I'm going to start off with my micellar water to get some of the makeup off. I got this from Walgreens and it is from Garnier. I just wet the cotton pad with it and I work it all over my face to get some of that makeup off. I especially like to work around my forehead because I get a lot of bumps on there and I just have to really scrub there. And then I work down to my neck because I put makeup on there as well. I just kept going until I'm content. I know it will take me forever to get rid of all of them with the micellar water. I then wet my face again so that I can lather up my cleanser. And I got this cleanser from when I was getting my microdermabrasion done. It has salicylic acid to help fight my acne. And this smells amazing. I just put a little bit on my hand and lather it up. I then go in with my little scrubbies. They're facial cleansing pads and they're only like $2 on Amazon. After rinsing off, I pat my face dry again so that I can see if there's any makeup. Even though not much is shown on the paper, looks can be deceiving. So I go over with my witch hazel and it acts as a toner. You can see all the dirt is still left on my face. I just keep rubbing it off until it's clear. after cleansing, I have to moisturize, and this is from the same product line mentioned before. I can try and see if I can find some more info to link below, but this has collagen in it, which is perfect for firming and slowing down aging. And I just put a little bit on there. This is an old school trick. I put some Vaseline on my frown lines because it's supposed to help with aging. I don't know if it will help the appearance of them, but honestly, it's worth a try. I also use my Olay eye cream because it's kind of pricey, and I put it on my ring finger because it is the weakest finger and the skin around our eyes are so sensitive. With this product, I have to rub it in a few times because it comes on quite thick. Then if I have any pimples, like the big one on my forehead, I use this product from Neutrogena, and it doubles as a cleanser and a mask. I'm not the biggest fan because sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't, but it has benzoyl peroxide, which is supposed to kill the breakout causing bacteria. So that was my gut unready with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe.